what's sparking in. Super quick trip to Universal. Let's go have some fun. Like I said, we're heading into Universal today. We got a couple hours to kill until we go pick mommy up from the airport. She had a great little trip. So me and the girls are going to go spend some time in Universal until it's time to go get her. But as we're walking by here, it does look like they're making some pretty good expansions onto the new storefront. Really close to, looks like getting ready to do some paint. So we're going to head in. May go see if we can find Dogman. I did hear that he may be doing some appearances over by DreamWorks. So head to Universal, spend a little bit of time there, and then try and pry 2 little kids out of the park in like 2 hours. So let's go see what all we can get done. Well, kids wanted to come in and play in the misters a little bit before we head in. Looked at the app. Doesn't look like there's a super long lines in there right now, so we could probably get on quite a few things. But there does appear to be a bit of a backup to actually get into the park itself. So we'll see. It is very steamy right now, but you know, it's a little after 11. Park opened at 9, so shouldn't really be much of a morning rush left, but I don't know. Gonna have a great little trip here once we're done playing in here and once I can find them again. It's misty down here. So what do you think? Is this fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to go in and try and get on some rides?
No.
No? You just want to stay here and play all day? Okay, we can do that.
I want to go on some rides.
Okay, Char rides?
No.
No? Okay. You can't see a thing. Mardi Gras. Said it's a bit of a backup to get in right now, so we'll see how long this takes. Been about 15 minutes, still not in yet. Hopefully this will be the longest line we're in today. Like I said, a lot of stuff is still lowish weights right now. We'll see. We'll have a good time. Like I said, not a super long trip, so we'll see what we get on. Okay, so it looks like they were doing the scanless entry again. That took about 26 minutes, so bit of a line getting in right now. The actual process of just scanning your face and going worked very smoothly for us, at least. With Charlotte, I mean, it's been, you know, almost a year now since she's had it, so there's definitely been a lot of changes for her. So they did end up scanning hers again just to confirm. But for Harper and myself, we just walked up. They looked at us. Oh, not they. The machine looked at us and we went. Now we're going into Wicked again.
Let's play.
And now the mountain has shifted here to Earth.
Okay, after a quick walk through Wicked, we are now in line to go on Transformers. Charlotte hasn't got on this or Spider-Man yet, so it should be a brand new experience. Harper's been on it before. She says she doesn't like it, but I remember saying she loved it last time, so we'll see how this goes. Yeah, sure.
Love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you ready? Harper, not so much. Okay, guys, are we all ready?
Yeah.
Are we gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, we gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Well done, freedom fighters.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with evac anytime.
What do you think, Char Char?
Yeah.
Is that a good ride?
Yeah.
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 Harper?
Liked it.
What?
Liked it.
You liked it? Thought you would.
Yeah, number 2.
Number 2? Okay, well.
I didn't even get to see any of the bits because I literally was closing my eyes.
Okay, well that will definitely hinder your enjoyment of the ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they
No, there were no drops.
Can we look around?
Yeah. What'd you find, Harper? What is it? That thing? It's Wheeljack. Bumblebee mask? We're not gonna put the bumblebee mask on though. Sure, you find a bumblebee?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, go put back. So, excuse me. Canteens. More switches. You haven't had enough of those in the line? Boop, boop. Okay, so we talked Harper into doing it. She ended up liking it, even though she was definitely against it at first. But that took about a half an hour, so much better wait for that than, you know, wait a half an hour to get into the park itself. But we're gonna go over to DreamWorks Land now, walk through there again, have them play around for a little bit, and then we're gonna be heading out. So we'll see if they find anything new in there. So I think there is a Dogman pop-up meet and greet. We shall see. But having a great day. Girls are loving life. I mean, how could you not enjoy being able to, you know, go to a theme park whenever you want? So having a great time. Hope you are. Oh, there's a Puss in Boots. I think she's might be done meeting for right now. Let's go ask who's coming out next. No Dogman today, but we're still gonna go through and have some fun in Shrek Swamp probably. So it is a lot warmer day than the last time we were here in DreamWorks Land. So all of the splash areas appear to be on. We're gonna try and keep them clear of that because we're, you know, gonna be leaving here in a little bit. But for the time being, we'll definitely run around. Probably say hi to Pinocchio while we're here. They're gonna go down some slides. You know, probably get pooped out of the outhouse slide here. Have some fun before we go to the airport. Such a lovely slide. Something's telling me the do not climb is more for the outside than the inside. What are you doing up there? It stinks. Is that from the outhouse?
I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay. So the little ones are gonna play in Mama Luna's here for just a little bit longer. I did tell Harper we'll go get some beignets. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go to the airport. Hope you all enjoyed your time with us today. Might be the last update. Or you'll see you eating some beignets. Who knows? If you liked it, give us a like, throw a subscription in. Yeah, comment, all that other fun stuff. Yeah, really appreciate everyone that, you know, gives us a watch every time. That's you, Tom. But yeah, everyone else, thanks for coming along with us. So Harper, what did you think of your beignets?
Good.
They're good? Were they better than Disney's?
No, they're both the same.
They're both the same, but these are a lot smaller?
Yes.
You got a whole bag of them though. Yeah.
There's only 3 more left.
Oh, okay. So do you have a good day?
Yeah.
Okay. Now where are we off to?
To this thing.
Oh, we did that already.
No, I want to do it again.
Oh, we got to go get Mommy from the airport.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Yes. No. I'm gonna do that.
Okay, Shar. You ready to go get Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. And as always, folks, remember to be kind and exit through the gift shop.